Good morning, chemistry students, and welcome to Friday, April 17th. Today's assignment, we will be working on 8-18 practice problems using what we've learned this week on oxidation numbers and oxidation reduction reactions. I want to remind you that the answer key to 8-18 is already on Google Classroom, as are help videos, or a help video which will go over 8-18. So if you're having any difficulties on understanding the concepts, watch help video number 47. And if that doesn't clear any issues up, email me any questions that you may have, and we can set up a meet or post additional help videos, whatever works best for you. Today we have an important thought of the day. That thought is, what letters of the word enjoy? What letters of the word enjoy are actually found in e-learning? Well, if you look at both words, you'll see it is only the E and the N from the word enjoy that is also found in the letters that spell out the word e-learning. In other words, the letters J-O-Y in enjoy are not found anywhere in the word or the spelling of e-learning. Why is J-O-Y? Why are the letters to joy from the word enjoy not found in the word e-learning? It's because it is our job as teachers to put the joy in e-learning. Let's make this work for you, folks. One size does not fit all. If you have any issues, concerns, or stress whatsoever to this e-learning, if you're not really enjoying it, please let me know. We can modify, we can make this work so that it is a great experience for you. Thank you. Have a great Friday and a fantastic weekend.